And of course, it is an absolute pleasure for ClaimPay to be sitting and sharing this table tonight with this amazing group of professionals where we do not only understand the business, but we share a common goal, which is helping the community, helping the homeowners after a natural disaster to go back to their lives as soon as possible. At ClaimPay, we've been funding contractors in Florida for almost 8 years, and we truly understand the sense of urgency for property owners to go back to their lives as soon as possible. Our mission at ClaimPay is to help contractors, homeowners, shrink the time period of an insurance company to pay for the property to get restored accordingly. We truly encourage property owners, providers to let uh, their properly claim handlers, either their PAs, their attorneys, let them handle the claims, take the stress out of the equation when it comes to fix your property and just go back to your normal lives. We've been in business for 8 years. Our network of almost 200 contractors are ready to help and assist homeowners as long as there's a policy in place. We'll be there to help shrink that time period to get the property restored. At ClaimPay, we believe in assisting the homeowners with the best professionals in the industry, like we have in this table. We truly believe in honesty, integrity, and doing the work right. By assisting homeowners, we assist the community to restore their lives. Our programs not only come with cash flow solutions to providers, but it also comes with a set of expertise of experts. We have flood experts that make sure that whenever a provider, a contractor needs any assistance with any flood issue that they may have, we're there to help them out. We also have a set of experts in windows. We also have a set of experts in estimates. We truly believe that the estimates must be written addressing all the damages that are in the properties in order to make sure that all the damages are being addressed so the property can be properly restored. We're here to assist homeowners, uh, general contractors, mitigation companies throughout Florida. We also do provide services in Louisiana, Texas, Colorado, and very soon in California. Our onboarding process is very, very simple. It's just a matter of a 30-minute phone call with any of our account executive, which going to make sure that we're going to give you all the information that you guys need in order to just make the process clear, make the process as smooth as possible. We understand, we have seen the stress, the pain in property owners' eyes, and we truly understand the sense of urgency. So, working again with this companies, with this people here is just an amazing thing because we know that at the end, the homeowner, the property owners are gonna get the best service that they can get, and we're happy to assist them through the long process, and of course, make sure that job is done right, make sure that the job is done quickly enough, and we'll just wait. We'll just wait for the insurance company to pay us directly, and that's the huge benefit of working with us. We will assist providers with the cash flow that they need in order to complete a job sooner than later. So again, thank you for your time. We're here with our entire team that will be happy to go over any questions, any details that you guys may have. Any questions?
it sounds like you're kind of like a public adjuster and a financing arm, or am I misunderstanding it?
We are a cash flow solution company that comes with a set of expertise that assist not only homeowners but providers. Well, let's say that our team comes with any questions that they may have with policies or flood or anything related to any sort of a disaster. We're here to just guide them to just make sure that everything runs smoothly. But at the end, we're a cash flow solution that is going to provide uh, the contractor the ability to build sooner instead of waiting for the insurance company to pay for them to start the job.
So ClaimPay is very cutting edge. And what I love about ClaimPay is, yes, they provide you money. That's the big gig, right? But they go beyond that. They're cutting edge. Like I said, a bank gives you money, they're done. ClaimPay goes in and they look at the claim, they look at the process, they look at all the different constructions, the exactimate, the whole package, and they help the contractor assist and go through that process. A lot of people are not, schooled in exactimate, the writing of the insurance policy, et cetera, et cetera. So they come in and they help you with all that type of stuff. So they're cutting edge and they're changing the industry. There's no doubt about it. Is there any other questions for Rodrigo?
One question I got for Rodrigo. Explain to everybody, when you have a contractor that you help fund, how much money do you find on a claim that from your writers in-house that help those companies get extra monies that they were missing?
Oh, well, that's a very good question. So at the time of reviewing an estimate, sometimes we have been able to increase between 20, 30% the estimates just to make sure that at the time of funding that estimate, the contractor has the ability to address all the damages and repair everything that is being addressed in that estimate. So it gives the contractor the ability to fix, build back, and get everything back in place and just wait at the end for the insurance company to pay and they will get the final disbursement.